There's something special about old soul food recipes. They weren't just meals. They were memories passed from one generation to another through handwritten recipe cards, crowded kitchens, Sunday dinners, and the loving hands of African American grandmothers who knew how to turn simple ingredients into unforgettable comfort food. Long before fast food restaurants and frozen dinners took over America, Southern Black families gathered around tables filled with dishes cooked slowly, carefully, and with heart. These recipes carried history, survival, culture, and family traditions that stretched back generations. Today, many of these meals are slowly fading away, remembered mostly by grandmothers over 60 who still cook the old-fashioned way. One of the most iconic soul food dishes was crispy fried chicken cooked inside heavy cast iron skillets. In kitchens across the South during the 1950s and 1960s, grandmothers carefully seasoned chicken with secret spice blends before lowering each piece into sizzling hot oil. The sound of crackling grease filled the house while children waited impatiently at the kitchen table. Every family claimed their grandmother made the best fried chicken in town, with perfectly crispy skin and juicy meat inside. Another unforgettable soul food classic was collard greens slowly simmered for hours with smoked turkey or ham hocks. These greens were never rushed. Grandmothers believed good collard greens needed time, patience, and proper seasoning. The rich smoky aroma drifting through the kitchen often meant Sunday dinner was almost ready. Many families soaked cornbread into the flavorful pot liquor left behind in the bowl, refusing to waste a single drop. Sweet potato pie was more than dessert. It was tradition. Grandmothers baked these pies from scratch using fresh sweet potatoes, butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar. The smell alone could fill an entire house with warmth. Every holiday table seemed incomplete without at least one sweet potato pie cooling beside the kitchen window, while family members tried sneaking slices before dinner. Macaroni and cheese held a special place in soul food culture too. But this wasn't the boxed version many people know today. Southern grandmothers layered real cheddar cheese, butter, milk, and baked pasta inside deep casserole dishes until golden crust formed on top. During church gatherings and Sunday dinners, baked macaroni and cheese often disappeared before anything else on the table. Cornbread was another essential recipe passed through generations. Made inside sizzling cast iron skillets, Southern cornbread developed crispy edges with soft, buttery centers. Some families preferred sweet cornbread, while others kept it savory and simple. Either way, cornbread sat beside nearly every soul food meal from greens and beans to fried fish and barbecue. Black-eyed peas became especially important during New Year celebrations. Many African American families believed eating black-eyed peas on New Year's Day brought luck, prosperity, and blessings for the coming year. Grandmothers slowly cooked them with smoked ham hocks, onions, and spices, while family gathered together waiting for midnight celebrations and fresh beginnings. Peach cobbler was another Southern masterpiece that carried generations of memories. Fresh peaches baked beneath buttery golden crust created one of the most comforting desserts imaginable. Some grandmothers brushed melted butter across the crust, while others added cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Served warm with vanilla ice cream, peach cobbler became a favorite at family reunions and Sunday dinners alike. Fried catfish represented Southern comfort at its finest. Coated in seasoned cornmeal and fried until crispy, catfish often appeared alongside hush puppies, coleslaw, hot sauce, and sweet tea. In many Southern homes, Friday fish fries became weekly traditions where neighbors and relatives gathered together sharing stories, laughter, and food. Early mornings in Southern kitchens often began with homemade biscuits. Before sunrise, grandmothers kneaded dough by hand, rolled biscuits carefully, and baked them until golden brown. Fresh butter melted instantly across hot biscuits while coffee brewed nearby. Some families covered biscuits in gravy, while others spread homemade jam or preserves across the flaky layers. Family reunions created some of the most unforgettable soul food memories. Long folding tables overflowed with fried chicken, collard greens, macaroni and cheese, ribs, cornbread, sweet tea, pies, cakes, and peach cobbler. Multiple generations gathered together laughing, dancing, praying, and eating beneath warm Southern sunlight. These meals celebrated not only food, but family history and unity. Smothered pork chops covered in rich onion gravy became another soul food favorite. Slowly cooked until tender, these pork chops were often served over white rice with gravy poured generously across the plate. Grandmothers understood that comfort food wasn't fancy. It was warm, filling, and made with love. Candied yams brought sweetness to holiday dinners with butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and marshmallows bubbling together into caramelized perfection. For many families, Thanksgiving and Christmas simply didn't feel complete without a tray of sweet candied yams beside the turkey. Banana pudding became one of the South's most beloved desserts. Layers of vanilla wafers, bananas, creamy pudding, and whipped topping filled giant glass bowls served at church events, cookouts, and reunions. Some grandmothers topped theirs with meringue, while others preferred whipped cream, but every version carried comfort and nostalgia. Oxtail stew slowly simmering overnight filled homes with rich, savory aromas that could make anyone hungry. Though once considered inexpensive cuts of meat, grandmothers transformed oxtails into deeply flavorful meals served over rice with thick gravy and vegetables. Fried green tomatoes became another treasured Southern recipe. Coated in cornmeal and fried until golden crisp, they balanced tangy flavor with crunchy texture. Many children